up, it was tough. My vision was tough. I was in 6th grade, and I had a hard time seeing the chalkboard.
I had pretty terrible astigmatism, as well as just really bad myopia, which means I couldn't see anything far away.
And I remember the teacher sitting me in the back of the room, and I raised my hand and said, no, I can't read what you're asking me to read off the board. I can't see it.
There have been a few times where I've gone to movies and I've sat through the whole movie just seeing blurs across the screen.
So I started wearing contacts in college because I wanted to be able to go surfing. It was more uncomfortable and cumbersome to wear them than it was to not wear them and not see as well.
During the wildfires a few years ago, I had to go and with my partner, and we would sort of help these people get out of their homes. But it was extremely smoky, and I had to actually go through probably 4 or 5 pairs of lenses a day just to be able to function in my job.
I had just returned from China, and in China glasses are a lot cheaper, and I had 3 pairs made for me. And it turned out that the optometrists over there in China, they had fudged my prescription. And that's when I just threw up my hands and I said, you know, this is just too much for me. I'd rather have the procedure.